Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup. Literally the biggest news, the only news that people in Washington are talking about is the FAA reauthorization, which has passed the House and now has passed the Senate and gone to the President for his signature. So we have some information about it on the website. All the links are below, including a summary of what it means for the unmanned systems industry. In some other news, Southern Company announced it is teaming with Skyward to expand its operation of unmanned systems for power production. They use drones for a variety of reasons, and now they will be doing that even more. And Brian, you got a couple things?
Yes, I do. This week, the FAA announced 9 new partners to its LAANC initiative. LAANC, of course, stands for Low Altitude Authorization and Notification Capability, and it is a collaboration between the FAA and the UAS industry that provides near real-time processing of airspace authorization for Part 107 drone operators across the nation who fly in controlled airspace. Among the new partners are Airbus, DJI, and Unifly. Additionally, Airbus recently performed manned-unmanned teaming test flight campaigns in a test zone of Germany's Baltic Sea area. During the campaigns, the company demonstrated 5 Airbus-built target drones controlled from a mission group commander that was airborne and a manned command and control aircraft. And lastly, the U.S. Air Force has awarded AeroVironment a $13 million contract for its RQ-11B Raven small UAS. The UAS will be used in support of Latin America and Caribbean nations.
Yeah, the Ravens have been used lots of places for a long time, so now that will expand their footprint a bit. One other thing of interest, Forbes has a series of predictions on how drone delivery will develop around the world, so take a look at that. As always, all the links are below, and we will see you next week.